I built an AI agent in n8n in under 60 seconds. One trigger, one search, one AI agent node. n8n wired the whole chain itself, but it wouldn't execute. Not once. Add first step, trigger manually. One search for AI agent, and it's already on the canvas, already connected. That's the part that takes 60 seconds. Under the hood, it wants 3 things wired in: a chat model, memory, a tool. I only had one of those left to do. Hit execute, red warning. Chat model, required, empty. The one credential n8n never adds for you. That's the whole trick nobody mentions. Same chain, one model away from running. New build.